you are new here, welcome to our kitchen. And today we'll be cooking very simple recipe. I love that recipe because it contains cheese. So,
of course you like food.
Of course I like food. So now we are going to be doing crispy breast chicken with cheese. Mozzarella cheese.
So now let's get started.
Yay!
Yay! Ta-ta!
So guys, this is the ingredients you need. This one is breadcrumbs. This one is mozzarella cheese, egg, flour. This one is the boneless chicken breast. I use 3. Then the seasoning is already combined. I use black pepper, 7 spice, and paprika. Then this one is salt. I don't need too much seasoning. I just need small inside. So now let's start from the chicken. So dry it with the paper towel. So all the water will go out of it. Then you slice it. You cut it, not slice, sorry. You have to cut it in the middle. Make sure don't cut it until the end. You have to leave some small, an inch, half inch or something. Because if you cut it till the end, the cheese, when you are frying the chicken, the cheese will go out and it will not make everything messed up. Now I finished cut it, so now I'm going to flat it. I want it to flat so that it will be easy to fry. It will not be difficult, so it will done inside faster. So you have to cut it first before you flat it, because if you don't cut it, you flat it, it will be difficult for you to cut it, because it will be very difficult. So you have to cut it first, then you flat it. So you flat, don't double it like this. Open it. Lie straight, make it lie down straight, and you don't have to hit here in the middle so that it's not cut. Bit by bit, slowly, not too much. It's flat. Now we'll season it. We use the salt. This one is a little bit open, but it's not bad. It's okay. So use salt. Not too much, small. Just rub it and turn it. It's already salt. The seasoning, we are going to put it inside the flour. Okay.
So now we are going to grater the cheese and Yasmin is going to
Jasmine, break the
break the egg.
Be careful, okay? Good, that's my girl. Put it in.
Brain is boring.
Play is boring. So come on, join. You said play is boring, but you leave me and go. Do you know how to crack egg? Mama, I don't know. Okay. Okay. Honestly, why did you put it inside? Okay. So crack the egg. Let me help you. I really want to crack. No, Mama.
My God, what is this? Calculus, come on.
Say I will do it, eh? You did it, eh?
They show you.
Clap for yourself. Papa, papa, papa. That's my girl. Don't mind her. You do it right.
You can leave shells in the egg.
Yes, you are correct. You did it nice.
Is my circle correct?
Yes.
Agreed. You can see that it's Agreed who cracked the egg.
Yeah,
So now you have
yeah,
one.
I cracked it correct round.
She cracked it kata.
No, my daughter
And I
did
cracked
this also.
But she cracked it kata and I cracked it round.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Mommy.
don't mind them. Don't mind them. You did it, my love. Yes, you did it.
You didn't do anything. You just spoil it.
So guys, now is the cheese we are going to put. Put the cheese. Put as much as you can. Cover it. Then that's it. Now the flour, use the flour. I will use my hands so that everything will mix nicely. Excuse me, ma'am. Make sure the egg is covered everywhere, every part of the chicken. You have to check it, see how dry. To make sure all the flour catches the chicken, then the flour and the egg catch the chicken very nicely. Then put it to the breadcrumbs aside. No, Mama. The next one, okay? careful, don't mess the place, okay?
I will.
Small, small. This here how it is catch.
Yeah,
So you are going to repeat the same process with the other chicken. I'm done. So that now I will transfer again the chicken to the crispy, the waste, the one that remains small one. I will transfer it to it. I will put it inside the freezer. I want to put it inside the freezer for like an hour. It will be very nice if you make it like this. You put it overnight, it sleep, then the crispy will catch very well to the chicken, and when you fry it, it will be very, very crispy. It will be very, very crumbsy. That's why it will be very nice and to catch it very nicely with the breadcrumbs. So that's why I'm putting it inside the freezer. So guys, now the chicken breast is ready. I removed from the freezer, so I'm going to fry it. You have to make the oil lower heat, not too much hot, moderate, so that the chicken will fry very, very nicely. Should not be too much hot. So guys, now the chicken is ready. The crispy chicken is ready. So I use tissue paper so that all the excess oil go out from it. So now we'll leave it for small minutes so that all the oil will go out from it. So I garnish it with cheese and spring onion. I put chips aside of it, then with my cocktail sauce, then I get going to ready and eat. So now time to cut. So tight. Yeah, you see the cheese. Ooh. Let's see what is going on. It's hot. See how it look like. See the cheese. some chips aside. And sauce. With my cocktail sauce. Good.
Guys, if you want to learn how to do the sauce, comment down below.
This one is my cocktail sauce.
Mom and Kids Kitchen cocktail sauce.
Thank you for watching our channel. And if you like this video,
Subscribe.
subscribe. And if you like me, you like this video. And if you really like me, you subscribe.
Then what again?
Then the ingredients.
The ingredients are in the
Description.
Box.
There's an ingredients there. That's
Yes.
Yes.
So
So
try this food, guys.
Try
It's
this.
amazing, right?
right. It's very amazing. You can try that food. Try it with your friends. Try it with your family.
oh.
Or anyone else.
Oh.
And share it with other people.
Oh. So what do you have to say? Thank you for watching the
Thank you
video.
for watching the video. Subscribe to our channel, like, share, and comment.
Oh. So what do you say again? Bye.
Love you.
Tick, and bye.
Ooh.
Nice.
See the cheese?